All right. Good morning. You're going to hear talking in the background. We got business meetings going on today. It is April 21st. It is 2021. It is Vlog 77, and it is Wednesday. I'm so excited. But I'm going to do a quick one. I'm really busy today, so just going to recap. I just want to recap yesterday because it was actually kind of a cool day. Weird day, actually. It was a weird day yesterday, so... woke up. Oh, actually, I gotta do my tuning first. Tune up. Yeah. So good. Always gives me a smile. But yeah, it is April 21st, Wednesday. Vlog 77. Wednesday, and today is kind of a busy day. It's ukulele, or training day and ukulele day. And then Brandon's over here this morning. We're doing some business stuff. We're getting our business rocking, working on the website, stuff like that. So I will talk more about it once everything's done. We got some good stuff, and I will help promote it. If you have kids that are in sports and want to get recognized, might be a good thing for them. So, let's look at the weather today. Boom, boom. And actually, it's so weird. The weather was hot like this weekend, and then it's just mild. I would say call it mild. 64, slightly cloudy. The sun is out right now. But wow, what a weird 60s all the way down. That's pretty crazy. It is April, so yeah. I guess springtime. Springtime. Let's see. All right, let's look at yesterday. Yesterday I woke up at 8:30. I had a breakfast burrito with eggs. I like breakfast burritos, they're cool. And then, let's see. Oh yeah, I had to go to DII for a rental return with Peter, and that was good. He just returned his pan, and and then I was waiting for another appointment later, so I ended up like cleaning up DII. We're into spring cleaning right now because, I think there's going to be more people coming into the store in the near future. I had a walk-in. His name was Rob, that lived around the corner, and he just wanted to check out hand pans. And he had been in before, but he wanted to check out the new ones, and he's saving his money to get hand pans. So he was cool. I liked him. And then later appointments rescheduled, and I didn't realize that it was for the next day. And I was waiting around for nothing, so I did that. But I did have so I came home and did a handpan lesson with Elizabeth, and this was just random. Somebody had a 30-minute lesson. She was in St. Louis, and it was kind of cool. We had a good conversation. She learned about handpan in an ayahuasca ceremony, and somebody was playing a handpan during ayahuasca, and I just go, wow, that must be pretty crazy, actually. I've never taken ayahuasca, but I can't even imagine in that state with the handpan going. It might be really crazy. And she said it was pretty nuts, and I was like, wow, that's cool. But we had a good training. She wants to continue. But her and her boyfriend are going to be traveling the U.S. in an RV. They're going to be doing that soon. So I'm excited for her. That's going to be fun because she has a handpan, traveling the world, playing music, and learning. It's going to be cool. Good training. And then I did my vlog late last night at 76 late. And then I had a 100-day song, and I did Take It Easy. That was a good, actually, I was struggling with the end on that song. I don't know, it's just the change, and I didn't have the right timing, but I think I did a pretty good job on the song. So good job to me. I'm gonna pat myself on the back. Thank you. And then actually yesterday, oh my god, yesterday I ordered all my new desk stuff. So what I have here is gonna get changed in the next week, and I'm happy and kind of crazed at the same time because I basically have to take this whole corner right in front of me. I'm gonna take it all and then put in all new stuff. It's gonna be a mission, and then continue to work at the same time and still do my vlogs and all that other stuff. So yeah, that's gonna be fun, and that's gonna be this week. So fun. I love getting new stuff, but I hate the changeover, especially for computers, because I have to make sure all my I have like all this. Bless you, baby.
Thank you.
I have all this. I have hard drives with video, and I can't lose all that stuff, and I want to make sure all my information is correct. You guys know if you have a lot of data, then yeah, there's a lot of stuff to move. So that's gonna be fun. So, and then yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm getting new Mac M1. I'm so excited because I know right now I have a MacBook Pro fully loaded from like 2014. It cost me like it was like 35 grand or 3,500. I'm gonna get a Mac M1, which cost me 1,200, and it's super fast compared to this. Actually, I think it's faster than all the Macs ever made. That's kind of crazy, actually. I'm thinking about. So, especially laptops and desktop, it's just faster. And I'm like, wow, Mac is already so ready, and now it's even faster. That's so gnarly. So I'm excited because it will help me with business, because it's when you're editing, it's time, and if you can like, if something takes 5 minutes and you can lower it by half, oh my gosh, it's amazing. It's super amazing. So I think from going from a 2014 to today, I don't even know what the difference is going to be. So I will see this week. It's going to be pretty crazy. So I'm excited for that. And yeah, it's going to be a whole, this year, I'm going to need it because we got a lot of stuff that's going on. So I need a beefy system to make sure that I get those things done. So that was yesterday, and I'm excited. I want to just keep this short because I got some stuff to do today. And yeah, there's going to be more good news coming out this week. And then I'll be filming, like, I'll probably time lapse my whole thing, sitting here doing my desk, taking it apart, and then I'll do like product reviews and stuff like that, and why I actually got these things, because I'm like, I love tech, and I just like watching like the tech stuff, and I love new technology. So it's kind of cool to actually get the things that you couldn't afford before. So yeah. But that's going to be my day. Actually, today I'm going to be doing, after this, I have to take care of some stuff. I want to do some computer work. And then at 3 o'clock, I have to go to Palos Verdes to do a lesson with Maddie. And then I have my Ook social today. And then we'll see. I don't know about my songs. I need to write some songs because I only have 20 days left. I did my day 80 yesterday for 100 days. And yeah, we only have 20 days left, so the only issue I have is rewriting the songs, because I just need time to do that. So I might just go on a mission and just rewrite all the songs that I'm going to sing now. I think I have, this is my list. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I have like 16 songs to write, like all these right here. Bam. And I have 20 days to do it, so basically I have to I have to rewrite a song every day, so. Oh. So my goal today is to write 2 songs. Rewrite 2 songs. Yeah, I just need to make myself goals. Time. But we can do it. We could get it done. I'm excited. But anyways, that's all I have for me today. So it is April 21st, 2021. It is Wednesday. It is vlog 77. And wow, what a week. Hump day. We're getting through it. Last night, the kitties just kept us up last night, so I'm kind of tired today. But I'm drinking energy drink. So, with that, that's all I have. And like always, every day, let's do a G. Keep on strumming ukulele. And I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good one.